Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Piece AI. So basically Piece AI is an AI productivity tool for developer, and we can save useful code, remember coding context, search snippet, and get AI coding help much faster. So if you code regularly, this is actually really useful. Okay, so let's get started. So first go to Piece AI website and download the desktop app. And if you are using a VS Code, you just go to extension, you can download the extension. Just open VS Code and download the extension. Just click install. Now you also need to download the desktop app. So here you can choose your operating system and install. Now just follow this instruction. You also have to sign in. Click on sign in. You can choose any method to sign in. I can sign up with the Google. Okay, now come back to VS Code and open Piece Copilot, and we can see we have a nice interface here. So new chart, suggested prompt, see content, and you have a LTM context. Okay, now let's explore some feature. I'll just say write middleware function for auth in JavaScript and click enter. So what happened, normally what happened, in case if you need this code, you might have to copy this and save it somewhere, and later you forget where it is saved. But with Piece, the moment you copy it, it saves automatically. So next time you don't rewrite the same thing, and that's super useful. And here you can copy whole response or regenerate response, or you can switch model. Another great feature we have is smart memory. Let's say I copy authentication code yesterday, and today I forget where it came from. So in this case, so Piece will remember when I copied project name, surrounding context. For example, instead of asking where did my JWT auth code go, I just search Piece, and that's honestly power. You can also see this in the Piece Desk app. Now we can open the app, you just click here and you can see. So we have all this history. For example, if I use a GPT 4.1 for half an hour, and then if I decide to switch to maybe cloud, I can continue the conversation. It saves all the memory. You can even search save code. Let's say you did something and you want to search now. You can just search here and you can find the same code. Another great feature is we can ask any coding question. So you just open the project and you can ask anything about the project. And the cool part is when you open the file, let's say if I open auth file, and you can see it's giving suggestion. You just ask Piece to explain the code. So for example, you just click explain and it will explain the codes. And now you can see it explain this code. So that's all for Piece AI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.